Today I'm going to be showing you some Excel tips on how to use certain features in Excel that helps you to basically work through your way into Excel and look at data differently. So to get started, I'm going to go to my Excel file in here. And basically, let's say, for instance, you have like this Excel file with maybe hundreds of records. I don't want to keep scrolling down with the mouse by myself and trying to find kind of the name I'm looking for, the field I'm looking for, and instead you can just use a feature called filter. So to use this feature, you just have to go to data, then you just have to click on filter. Now, when you click on filter in here without highlighting a column, it will put filters in all the columns that you have in your Excel file or your spreadsheet. So let's say I want to search for a specific name. So I go to my first name, I would just click on this arrow here with a left click mouse, and I would have all the names in here that's been displaying. Let's say I want to show only one name, so I would remove the select all, and let's say I just choose Judy and press OK, and that will show me all Judy's details in this Excel sheet without displaying other fields in there. And let's say, for instance, you want to go back and just remove the filter. If you click back on the filter in the top in here, it will just go back to normal. So this is one of the features I wanted to show you. Just want to show you how you can filter columns and then select whatever you want to see. And this will be very beneficial if you have a big spreadsheet with a lot of records. The other thing I want to show you, what if you want to sort with a certain column? So that's when you use the sort feature. So if you choose this column, for instance, and go and click sort, it will tell you, hey, you want to expand the selection or continue with this. Let's say I'm going to sort like that. Then it will open up this little table for me and tells me, hey, what do you want? Which column do you want me to sort for you? So I'll just choose sort on here, the second field. I'll leave it as values, and the first column, let's say I want to filter by ID, right? And then it will tell me I can choose from smallest, larger. Let's say I'm going to do largest, smallest, and press OK. This in here is basically filtering by the column ID with the largest number in here. That's why it's showing all the top numbers in the top of the screen, and then the lower would be just displayed in the bottom here. The last feature I want to show you in this video is that, when you scroll down with the mouse, the top header gets removed. You don't see it anymore. So there is a little nice tip I want to show you, because if you still want to see the entire column headers while you're scrolling down, you just have to go to view in the top in here, and then just click on the freeze panes in the feature in here, and click on that little arrow, and just click on freeze top row, the second option in here. And now if I'm just scrolling down in my spreadsheet, see that the first column header will stay in there. So that will help me at least know what is the first column, what is the last column, etc. That's all about this video, guys. I want to show you some nice features in here in Excel. If you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up. If you have other ideas or questions, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you with an answer. Until the next video, wish you a great day. Thank you very much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so.